So here we're asked that in a group of 50 people, how many are doctors that have a law degree? And if you read the statement, you'll see that this is a Venn diagram problem because they're talking about doctors and people who have a law degree. So we'll start with statement 1, which says 36 people are doctors. So 50 is the total, and we know this circle is doctors. Now, some doctors might have a law degree and others may have just a law degree and not doctors. And then there might also be some people who are neither doctors nor lawyers. So one alone is not enough because we don't know what this region is. We know the total, and we know the total number of doctors, but we don't know the split between doctors only and then doctors with law degrees. So one is insufficient. Look at 2. It says in the group 18 people have a law degree. So now we have this is the circle of law degree. Again, we don't know this split here, so 2 alone is insufficient. Now if we combine 1 and 2, we have 36 that are doctors. 18 have law degrees, so that's doctors, that's law degrees. And we also have this outside area which we don't know. But let's say this is 0. In that case, we can find how many are doctors with law degrees, because then the difference here, these two add up to 54, and the difference from 50, that would give us the overlap. And you'll see that this indeed, I fill in these regions. 32 is a number of people who are doctors only, and that does they do all add up to 50. But I have assumed here that there is no one who is neither a doctor nor a lawyer. We're not given that information. So in this case, we actually don't know what this number is going to be. It can change depending on what I pick here. For example, you could pick 2 here. Then in this case, this overlap would need to be 36. So 54 minus x, so it's going to be, this is going to be 6, and you'll see that this is 30, and this is 8. 30, actually no, that doesn't work, not 8. This is going to be 12. So yeah, so you can see that I can change that number. And so the key thing to recognize is that there may be some group of some people that are neither doctor nor lawyer. So even combining 1 and 2, I don't have a unique value for the number of doctors that have a law degree. So the answer is E.